how to organize your passwords in Mac. Organizing your passwords on a Mac is essential for security and convenience. In order to do that, simply tap on the Apple icon in the top left corner and go to the System Settings. Scroll down and there you will get to see the passwords option available there. So in passwords, there are many apps and websites prompt you to save your password when you log in for the first time. And you can choose to save password to your Keychain in MacBook. So basically guys, here you will have to enter your password of Mac in order to log in and go through your passwords. So every time you are going to log into any website or app, the MacBook will automatically ask you to save your password to the Keychain. So by using Keychain Access and iCloud Keychain, you can securely save and organize your passwords on Mac, making it easier to access your accounts while maintaining security.
So that is it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.